My name's Tony Richardson and I'm in charge of the CNC bay at Stage 1. Projects get drawn up by the CAD team. Parts will then get issued to us. We'll either cut them on a laser plate, laser tube, or 3-axis, 5-axis machines. Those parts will then go off to the metal shop or the wood shop or engineering to be assembled, put together before it goes out to the customer.
Basically what you have to do every time a part comes down, you have to convert it into a usable part for the machine. CAD send down a simple sketch and I tool it up, then place it onto either machine which is appropriate to the job at hand. Hive project stand out because of the sheer volume of the amount of work which was having to be done, and the quality of the finish which I managed to get on it was to a standard which I believe was immaculate. Mainly because it was all done on the water jet and laser. It was done on the water jet because the parts were so big that they had to be cut closer together to get more usage out of material. And the laser was more efficient at cutting the smaller bits. The various parts were all triangular in shape, which make up the exterior of the hive, and the smaller bits were used as the clamping points for all the machined components.
Everything that comes down is a different challenge, and you have to find different ways around things and innovate to suit. We'll often make our own tooling as well as components. The machines can basically manufacture anything and cut anything to any shape from any material. So yeah, boundless the amount of things we can do.
What's your favourite machine?
You think I've got a favourite machine? No, I haven't got a favourite machine, or a favourite operator for that case.